I'm doing a killer leg day though.
I did it. Holy fuck, is that?
That's crazy. They're called stomach vacuums.
Carbs are not bad, bitches. Carbs are not bad.
I literally wasn't even planning on doing this video, but then I saw the amount of DMs that I got saying, oh my god, I tried this ab workout and it was the best thing ever, and drop your workout routine, because this ain't no bluff anymore. Like, this ab routine actually works. Like, I'm seeing results just like that. I literally just started doing them again like a week ago and my abs came back. And then people are DMing me, they're like, oh my god, I just did it and I already noticed a difference. And it's true. It's because it actually affects the way you like live every day, because like you are more conscious of the way you are breathing, you know? Anyways, today I'm gonna take you through what I do for fitness. I've only made one video about it. I'll link it down below. It just really goes in depth about how to build an abs, but I'm just gonna take you guys along and show you guys how I do my abs at the gym and also workout routine, like legs, because today we're hitting booty. If y'all don't know, I used to not have booty at all, and like now I have a little bit of booty. I don't have a pump right now, so it's like not fat. I used to be flat as a wall, and now I work out and I got like some sort of a booty now, but I'm just so much more toned and like happy with my body because it's like healthier. I'm gonna show you how to do this. All right, let's just hit it at the gym. I'm gonna try to explain everything as best as I possibly can. Alright, before a workout, I gotta get some sort of like energy in me. I don't always drink caffeine or like energy drinks. Sometimes I'll just have something easy to digest for carbs, such as Greek yogurt and fruit, or like a boiled egg, because that's really easy to digest and it'll give you a lot of energy. Carbs is like the best energy, but you just don't want to eat something heavy before you work out, especially really close to time. If I do drink energy drinks, I drink Celsius just because there's no sugar in it. I think it's like the best energy drinks out of all of them. I've tried a lot, but Celsius has been the best, and I put everyone on it and everyone loves it too. It's really good. This one's strawberry guava. My favorite is peach mango. My whole fridge is stocked with Celsius. Today, I'm doing a killer leg day though. I'm gonna take some Alani Nu stim-free pump. This is stim-free. I don't think that there's caffeine in this. I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but I take this because I feel like pre-workout is just too much for me and it makes me feel sick. I used to dry scoop, but I don't dry scoop anymore because one, it's not very good for you apparently, and also my body just doesn't digest it as well as whenever I drink it, and I think it's because your body takes in fluids a lot better than it does like mixture with like a little bit of water, you know what I mean? So like if I mix it with water before, it just works better. Mix this with a straw. This tastes potent. Like, it is so not very good because it's so concentrated, but I'd rather do that than drink a lot of liquid because I always feel sick drinking a lot if it's not just water, you know? Boom. I always do this right before I get to the gym though, because my gym's like 5 minutes away and caffeine and stuff kicks like after 20. So let's head over.
Hold on, pause. I noticed a lot of you watch my videos and you don't even subscribe. Look at that percentage. What are you doing? Subscribing is free, and if you subscribe from this video and comment that down below, I will read your comment and like it, because guess what? A girlie reads every single one of her comments and she's not lying. Go look at the comments. Did she like all of her comments? Yep, she's not lying. Go subscribe and comment down below if you subscribe. Okay, I don't know if the music's too loud, but I start off with hip thrust because I try to hit PR. So I'm gonna set that up. I'm gonna show you guys the setup and everything. It's really difficult to set up, but everyone goes through the embarrassing part of setting it up. But once you set it up and you get it going, it's a really good workout. Okay, I'm gonna try to hit PR. If I don't hit this, it's okay, because the last time I hit PR, it was 365. So this is an extra 40 pounds that I'm adding. This is 405 pounds that I'm hitting. So if I don't hit it, it's okay. I know I can hit it. I know. I'm just gonna tell myself that, but like, this is gonna be embarrassing if I don't hit it. That's all I gotta say. But we're gonna try, okay? You never know until you try, so we're gonna try. I just tried 405. That shit was hard as f. I couldn't like actually lift it up, but I know if I take like maybe 10 off of it, I could probably do a full thing. I'm gonna try one more time, but that was up. That was actually up. I just couldn't do 2 reps. I did it. All right, I don't know how I did that. I don't know how my body did that, but now I'm gonna do 10 to 12 reps of lighter weight. So I'm doing 245s with a 35 just to get my reps in, because doing PR is like good for strength training, but it's not the best to do all the time. So I always try to incorporate lighter weights with higher reps. Alright, I just finished the workout. Holy fuck, how much is that? We gotta clean this stuff. If you go to the gym and you have never done that before, you always gotta grab one of these and clean your bar. Like this. And then just unrack your weights.
My mask is actually like dripping right now. Like it's wet. It's gross. I'm posting every day this week. Like I'm literally filming this Sunday of this week and you're watching this on a Thursday, I think. But I'm so motivated to post lately because I think Instagram really motivates me. Like whenever y'all follow me on Instagram and reply to my DMs and like interact with me, that shit gets me going because like it's not like I post stories and it's just like selfie. Like I actually talk on my stories and like try to give y'all advice and like help y'all out to motivate you and post motivating shit. And it's so nice to see that y'all love that shit because it makes me want to post more and like makes me want to give you guys more content. So thank you so much. If you follow my Instagram, you know. And if you follow my spam account, my private account where I literally talk to y'all like it's FaceTime, y'all know. I literally be crying on those stories all the time, but I love you so much. I honestly weigh myself maybe like once every 4 weeks, 3 weeks at the gym because it's nice to just see, and I never look for my weight to go down. I always just look for like just my weight, and if it goes up, I'm actually happier when it goes up than if it goes down because that means I'm gaining more muscle. So don't let the weight define you, like your scale, because a couple months ago it was like 125, now I'm 135, and like it's all like if you work out and lift more, you're gonna gain more weight because you're gonna gain more muscle, and muscle mass weighs a lot. Just got in my car. That was honestly one of the best workouts I've ever had in my life, and I think it's literally just because I changed my mindset. Like my mindset keeps changing and I just keep getting more motivated, but it's not even like motivation though. The thing is, I think people get confused, okay? And they're always like, where do you find the motivation? Give me the motivation. I need to be motivated. Yeah, I can give you the motivation, but you need discipline. You need discipline to be doing the shit that you want to do. If you want to get that fatty, if you want to become stronger, you need discipline. Yes, you need motivation, but everyone can get motivation. But you know what a lot of people don't have is discipline. People don't have self-control to be able to control themselves and force themselves to do shit that they know that they need to be doing. So you'll get motivated for 2 weeks. Let me tell you, I'm gonna break it down for you right now. You're gonna watch this video and you're gonna be like, I am gonna work out. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna eat healthy. You're gonna write down all these notes and you're gonna be motivated. Amazing, right? But you need to have discipline for these things to continue because this is the reason why we always go through so many phases and we're like, yo, like I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna be healthy, and then 2 weeks later, it's like, where did any of that go? All of that is in the trash because we lost motivation. Now, in order for that to not happen, we need discipline. And you may be like, how do I get discipline? First of all, you don't have to like read this whole book, but read the book, The Marshmallow Test, okay? And if you don't want to read it, I'm just gonna break it down for you. Basically, what this book is about self-control. Reading this with my own eyes really opened up this world for me because then I realized that self-control is so important. From a young age, self-control has so much effect over people. If you don't have self-control, you're not gonna be successful. And it's literally proven that from a young age, when they do this test on kids' patience and self-control, that kids that had more patience and self-control as a young adolescent, when they grew up, they did tests and they reran tests on the same kids. And the kids that had self-control and patience when they were younger were far more successful and educated than the kids that didn't. So patience and self-control is key, and that ties into discipline. So I've had so many times where I've worked out. I've been working out for about 5 years now. Ever since I was in high school, I've been working out, but it's never been this consistent. I would go for maybe 2 months, a month, and that's it. I'm going on, I think, 6 months of, no. Hold on. No, not even 6 months. I started in April, May, June, July. This is my 5th month of consistently working out almost every other day. This is not motivation anymore. This is discipline. I will literally be like, oh, I don't want to go to the gym. Like, I don't even want to, but it's such a habit in my head and such a routine that I have to do it. No matter if I like it or not, it is a habit of mine now. It's not even about the motivation. It is a part of me, and I know that I have to do it for myself. There's nothing motivating me anymore. It's not like, oh, I need my body to look like this. It's nothing like that. And I think that that's what's amazing, is that I don't even look at it on a physical aspect anymore, which once you get to that point, it's like a whole nother world opens. It's because you're not picking apart every single part of you. I'm just going on a tangent right now, but I have never been more confident and happy in my life than I am right now. Yes, my body is better than it ever has been, but the thing is, I'm not working out saying, I want to look like this girl, I want to look like this girl, I want to look like this girl. I'm not going on Instagram anymore, and I'm not comparing myself to girls anymore. I'm not going, oh, but she has a really small waist and I'm out here with a fucking 30-inch waist. My waist dead ass is 30 inches. Bitches be out here with a 24-inch waist. Mine is 30 inches. It's just because I have wide set ribs and I'm shaped like a rectangle, okay? But I want to be that motivation out there for girls that don't have that slim body type and that are built like not the social norms, and you know what I mean? Like, I want to be that motivation out there for you because you make your body look as good as it possibly can. You have your own body, and if you work out and do strength training and work out to feel good, I started off working out because I wanted to look a certain way, but after you do that for so long, you'll realize that you're doing all these strength training, you know, working out your core, you're making yourself stronger, and you'll look at yourself in the mirror every day in the morning when you wake up, and you're gonna look at yourself and you're gonna go, damn, I'm stronger, I'm healthier. The way you look isn't gonna define you. It's gonna be the way you feel. And I'm telling you, this will happen to you. And it just feels so good knowing that you see the numbers that you're lifting is going up. You may not look smaller, or you may not look the exact way that you see girls look on Instagram, but you know that you are looking the
best that you possibly can, and that shit feels amazing. That feels better than looking a certain way, because you wake up and you're happy with yourself. You're happy with the way you treat your body. You're happy with the way you nourish your body, and you know deep down that you are healthy as fuck. Okay? You know that you're feeding your body well. Yesterday, I went to Korean barbecue and I sat there with my friends for 2 hours eating so much food, eating so much rice, eating so much meat, and we were stuffing ourselves to the point of being full, but I was so happy that I was eating. I was like, I need to eat more. I was telling myself, like, I don't even care if I'm stuffed to the brim, I need to eat more. I don't eat enough. I'm out here eating 3,000 calories a day. 3,000 calories a day, okay? I'm telling you right now, if you are limiting yourself to 1,000 calories a day because you think that's gonna make you a skinny legend, stop. The most toned I ever feel, no, the most toned I ever look, the most snatched my waist ever looks is when I'm eating a lot and working out my body. If you eat and you nourish your body with the right foods, and even then, I don't even be eating clean like that. If you nourish your body with the right foods and you work out and do these strength training, you are burning so many calories. It's not even like you're burning calories like cardio does. It's the fact that you're building so much muscle that your muscle needs something to fuel it. And if you put all this food into your body is gonna make use of that, and it's gonna turn that into muscle, and it's gonna turn that into, you're gonna look good, and your body is gonna use all that good shit and put it into yourself and to make muscle, and you're gonna notice that your abs are more toned, your legs are more toned. It's because you're working out so much and you're doing all this strength training, you're building all this muscle, that all that food isn't fueling into fat. That food is fueling into muscle, okay? When you eat protein is like in meats, tofu, all that stuff is way more, that stuff is way more filling than all these fats that you could be eating. Chips, you know what I mean? Like fruit. If you're just fucking eating fruit, stop. You need to eat more than just fruit. Fruit's amazing for you, but that stuff burns so fast, okay? Your body metabolizes that so fast. You need to eat things that are filling, such as protein. And if you're eating protein, you will notice yourself, you're not as hungry. You don't have these cravings. It's because your body is using the protein to fuel itself, not all these extra sugars and stuff. It's using protein, and protein burns a lot slower. Like, I don't know how to explain it, to be honest. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a nutritionist, but it keeps you full for longer, and you won't be craving all this shit that you usually crave. And trust me, I get cravings sometimes still. I'm like, ooh, I want donuts, I want this. I eat Chick-fil-A all the time, but it's all about balance, okay? Okay? Stop limiting yourself to fruit, crackers, toast, avocados. Stop. You need things to fuel your body, okay? You need carbs. I literally be eating carbs in the morning to fuel myself for these workouts. Carbs are not bad, bitches. Carbs are not bad. I hope that this motivated you, because I hope that everybody can look at themselves in the mirror, tell themselves that they look beautiful and that they feel healthy, because I'm telling you, the reason why I'm so passionate about this is because it changed my life. It literally changed my life. I'm the happiest I've ever been, and I know that feeling of looking at a girl on Instagram and being like, damn, I wish I looked like that, and fucking crying because I don't look like how these girls do. I don't look skinny. I don't look like I have a fucking 2-inch waist. I don't look snatched like that. You know what I mean? I know exactly how you feel, but now I don't even be looking at bitches like that. I look at bitches and I'm like, they're pretty, but I know that I'm healthy and I'm fueling my body the exact way that it should be fueled. So I don't compare myself, because I know that I'm the healthiest that I could ever be, and I'm doing exactly what's right for my body. And everybody's body is different, and nobody's gonna look the same. So work on making your body look the best at that it could, not try to make your body look like somebody else, because you never will achieve that. And if that's what you're chasing, you will never achieve that. And I get it. Physical aspects are extremely motivating, but after a while, you get over that. If all you're focused on is the physical aspect, you will not be disciplined, because physical aspects, when you work out, it'll fluctuate. You're gonna gain weight, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna look different, and it's not gonna be the same. You're not always gonna have this high. You're gonna hit a plateau, but as long as you know that you are as healthy as you can be, that's all that matters.
All right, listen, for the stomach vacuums, what you're gonna do, so basically, I do this every morning on an empty stomach. It has to be an empty stomach. Sometimes I do it at the gym, sometimes I do it here, but empty stomach, whenever I wake up, you can do this literally right as you wake up. You don't even sweat when you do this. Like, you don't sweat, okay? Like, that's the best part, is you can literally do this anywhere. You don't have to be wearing gym clothes or anything. Ready? So I would suggest for beginners to start by leaning over like this. I know that sounds stupid, but lean over like this, it's easier, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna breathe in through your nose. Ready? Did you see that? I breathed into my nose, inhaled a lot of air like that, and then I held it for a little bit, about 3 seconds, and then I exhaled through my mouth. And basically, what you should be visualizing, and you can literally put your finger here so that it helps, so you can like do mind to muscle focus better. You're gonna put it here, and you're gonna imagine your belly button literally going into your ribs, like into your stomach, you know what I mean, like this. The better you get at it, the more it'll go in. I'm just not very good at it yet, but essentially, you're going like this and holding it. If you do it bent over, it works better. I do that for about 5 times for 30 seconds hold, and you can have a timer and you just hold it. And while you're holding it, I know a lot of people are confused. They're like, what do I do after I go? You can like not breathe out all your air all at once and just go slowly like, and slowly deflate like a balloon, you know what I mean? Just keep breathing out and have a timer on hand. When I started with about 15 seconds. Now I'm up to about 30, and the more you do it, the better you get. But did you see how easy that was? I don't have to lay on the ground, do no ab workouts or anything. Like, it's just stomach vacuums. You see results so fast, more than any ab workout in my opinion, because you're literally, it's your breathing. Because a lot of the time we're just like, you know, we relax, which is really good, you know what I mean? Just like relax your body. But I don't think a lot of us realize that we can contract our muscles when we do mind to muscle connection, and we have muscles no matter how much fat you have, because it's not like, what, Sterling, what do you want, huh? Hi baby, I love you. I love my little. Okay, because it's not like I'm like super skinny or anything like that. I mean, I'm definitely fit. My stuff still jiggles, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not toned like that. Like, I have a really short torso. It's just, I have a really short torso, so all my fat stores there. And I would do ab workouts and they would never work. But this is the only thing that makes my abs show or anything like that. Like, I stopped doing them for a while, then I lost my abs, but then I started doing them in last week and then I got them back. And it's because this affects your breathing, and then you realize like the muscles that you have that you forgot that you had. That's like insane to me. And I just do that like all the time. That's crazy. They're called stomach vacuums.
Anyways, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want more motivating, make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you subscribe in this video, because I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. Please follow my Instagram and swipe up and reply to my stories and follow my spam account, because that's what motivates me to post. Anyways, I love you. Instagram shout out of the day goes to Emmy.Anna. She says, wow, queen. Yes, love you. If you want to be Instagram shout out of the day, go follow my Instagram. Bye.